Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's our fifth tutorial on Canva. In today's tutorial, we will be teach you how to create a Facebook ad from Canva in just 2 minutes. So let's start the video. Click on to the Facebook ads option. Now you can see different templates here. So we are now creating a ad template, so this one is good. So I select this and I can easily edit it. I can also add my favorite things here, my favorite text, my favorite templates, my favorite elements, my company, my shops icon here. Everything we can be changed. We can remove bike and man from here and also add other templates, other elements here. So Canva is very easy. Canva is best ever software for every kind of graphic designing work, and it's very easy and simple. Very easy. So now you can see our ad banner is ready just in 1 minute. So you can also adjust this element. Now I can add here our channel's logo. So you can see we can easily add here every kind of our favorite templates. Now our Facebook ad is ready and we can click onto the save option. So this is very easy way. I hope this video is very helpful for you. It's our fifth tutorial on Canva. So we have only one remaining tutorial on Canva. So please, I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel. So like our video, also share the video with your friends. This video is very useful for beginners, so please stay in touch with us. Thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye.